Well, this is what we do when there's no campers to haul. I was bragging about how, oh, I'd never go to Indiana without ever getting a load. Well, I got a load, but there's nothing there. I mean, there's trailers there, but they're not going anywhere. So we haul cargo trailers. Whatever pays the bills, right? Well, there we go, horse trailers. Well, isn't this a typical winter day in Wyoming? The wind is blowing, but it's blowing snow across the road. That's solid ice. So, yeah. Fun day in Wyoming. Road conditions, black ice, and hard packed snow. From Laramie to Cheyenne. And then from Cheyenne to all the way through Nebraska is closed. So we're going to go to I-25 and go south. And then take I-70 across. We're only going, yeah, I better slow down. Speed limit is 45 and they said it's strictly enforced. So, yeah, 53 is okay. This is I-70 before London, before the highway. Got trucks going in the median, jackknife. It's slick. I stepped on the brake, kind of went sideways a little bit, got it back under control. So, next truck stop, it's parking. When it gets like this, visibility is an issue, especially on ice. I don't mind driving on ice or even snow-packed roads, but when you can't see, it's time to shut it down.